So we see many use cases for indoor location services, but asset tracking is one of the leading ones. Now, asset tracking can be used in several areas. We see tracking of pallets and forklifters in warehouses, or electronic shelf labels and shopping carts in retail, to tracking healthcare equipment or patients in hospitals.
In this demo, we have built a multi-locator system where packages are being tracked when they arrive to our premises. We are demonstrating real-time positioning of multiple assets and the accuracy of the system. And for some reason, one of the packages not delivered where expected. Our coworker, Petteri, is notified of their arrival. Luckily, he's able to locate and find all of the packages with the help of the real-time multi-locator. Our SoCs and modules are versatile building blocks for Bluetooth direction finding with sub-meter accuracy. These devices combine best-in-class, ultra-low transmit and receive power and high-performance Cortex-M33 core. They are perfect fit for direction finding application, both in asset tags and locators. Silicon Labs offers tag reference designs optimized for size and cost, as well as locator antenna array designs optimized for performance. For locators, the software offering covers the network coprocessor functionality that gives the developers the opportunity to focus on their gateway and backend software. Real-time location library is an essential part of the direction finding offering. The software library converts phase differences from radio signals to angle and elevation related to the locator. In a multi-locator setup, the RTL library can convert the angles and elevation data to position on 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional coordinates. Silicon Labs library offering include usage of the library with Silicon Labs hardware and application examples for system evaluation. We at Silicon Labs are committed to solving those hard technical problems related to direction finding.